Hi everyone, so day 16 I finished my morning meditation. I did the love meditation for Sadhguru. I finished my hair and I'm ready, collecting my stuff to travel to Cairo so I can meet friends and have a good time tomorrow. We're gonna go to Sokhna and it will be a really good time, I know. So yeah, I can't wait to spend that beautiful day. But so far I did the love meditation and again I feel so much love in my heart, and I didn't cry or anything like usual, but I really felt it in my heart. I was so happy during the meditation. Again, I really love this meditation. I didn't like it's my number one meditation, to be honest. Like at that moment I used to love Joe Dispenza meditations, but now I really love this meditation so much because I really feel every single moment of it. So yeah, I feel so happy and so excited, and I'm just collecting my stuff to get ready to travel, and I can't wait to spend a really good time tomorrow. So far this day is amazing. I'm really active and feeling happy and enjoying every moment, and I'm ready for a new adventure. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow in a new place. So I love you guys.